Like how much time will it take a developer to set everything up so that it's working properly in following best practices?
Um, I mean, let me give you two comparisons. Let's say
Yeah,
it's a new project, new code, talking a couple of minutes. You know, you
a
click
couple of
through.
minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
you click through. You say new Git repository, new Git project, and it creates the repository for you. And then you know you 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 clone it, copy it onto your local so that you have that connection between your computer and the remote Git repository.
Mm-hmm.
And then there you go. You start building your project. You start, adding whatever files you need to add. You start um, adding frameworks. Let's say you're using Laravel. You start a new Laravel project. Commit your code, push it up, and there you go. Your first commit and your first piece of code is saved on the remote server.
All right. So there's no
And
excuse not to be set up like that.
like literally, it's that simple.
Okay.
To just create a new project and give someone access to it. Uh, I've used Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab,
Which do you
all the
prefer? Is there a difference?
Um, I use GitLab the most just because that's what we use in house.
Okay. GitLab. Yeah.
But um, I like GitLab. I like Bitbucket. Uh, the user interface is very intuitive and easy to use. To create new project, add a user to the project. It's yeah, it's all very simple. It's not like you got to go and do a lot of stuff in command line, and you look like a hacker from a 1980s movie where you're typing a bunch of stuff into a terminal and trying to do all this stuff. And
Yeah.
no, it's point and click, and boom, new project, new repository.
Nice.
Same thing for Git, like itself. All the actions we mentioned, the commits, the pushing. Obviously, you can do it from a terminal, a command line, but there are plenty of like applications out there that give you a user interface to do all those actions and simplify it for you. Um, and you know, the other scenario I mentioned was you already have an existing project and you
Mm-hmm.
have an existing code base.
Okay.
Again, through a lot of these point and click scenarios, though, one of the options will be create new project with empty repository or create new project, and you already have the code somewhere. It'll let you know, it'll set it up a certain way, and then once you get it, you copy that, you clone that repository on your machine, so you have that connection that you can push your
Mm-hmm.
changes to. You just copy your project files in there. So instead of creating new files, you're just copying the existing ones, and you're gonna commit, you're gonna push, and there you go. All of a sudden, your project's backed up on a Git repository.